2024 has been a busy year for trade unionists in Wales, thanks to all of our reps, our activists, our union officers who have organised and stood up for workers' interests. Our movement stands in solidarity with all of you, including those taking industrial action at Oscar Mayer against fire and rehire, and workers at the National Opera taking action for jobs and pay. And we're also thinking about the thousands of workers in Port Talbot and the wider community who are facing a very uncertain future. As a movement, we will continue to stand up for your interests and make sure that you get a fair investment in the future of one of Wales's industrial heartlands. Thanks to all of our trade union tutors, each and every one of them who have been busy teaching the next generation of reps. The Wales Union Learning Fund is going from strength to strength, supporting thousands of workers to upskill at work through worker-led learning. We now have, of course, two governments working together on that shared vision for Wales's future, including investment in public services, thanks to that record-breaking settlement for Wales in the budget. In 2025, there is a lot to feel optimistic about. We've got the Employment Rights Bill that is expected to become in law, and we will be scaling up our training on tackling sexual harassment in the workplace, focusing on the worker impact of AI and the climate crisis. Could 2025 be the year you get more involved with the trade union movement? You could help us grow the movement by getting a friend to join a union during Heart Unions Week, or by attending our Organise Now conference in March. You could even sign up to train as a rep at one of our in-person or online courses. We offer absolutely everything from traditional courses like how to become a health and safety rep to new courses like negotiating for a just transition, or even join one of our activist development programs for women, for young workers, for black workers, to find out how you use your talents and passions within the trade union movement. But finally, 2025 could be the year you help make your workplace a better place to be. Take a look at our website for new resources on creating anti-racist workplaces and tackling sexual harassment at work. See you soon, and blwyddyn newydd dda.